At least 9 passengers lost their lives and over 30 others sustained injuries after a tragic train collision in West Bengal's Darjeeling district on June 17th. The accident occurred around 9 am when a goods train collided with the stationary Sealdah-bound Kanchanjunga Express, causing 3 rare coaches to derail. The collision happened after the goods train overshot a signal and struck the rare parcel coach of the Kanchanjunga Express, which is a daily service that connects Bengal with the Northeastern states of Silchar and Agartala. Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee expressed condolences and stated that doctors and disaster response teams were rushed to the accident site. Railways Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw announced compensation for the victims with 10 lakh rupees for the families of the deceased, 2.5 lakh rupees for those with grievous injuries, and 50,000 rupees for those with minor injuries. Additionally, the Prime Minister's office has announced a compensation of 2 lakh rupees to the families of the deceased and 50,000 rupees to the injured. The accident has sparked criticism from opposition leaders who have accused Prime Minister Narendra Modi of mismanaging the country's railway system. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.